Yo, good afternoon guys. We are going home now. Oh, look at that. There are two guys in there. They are playing that kind of kite surfing, but instead they are just holding the kite. Up, my life. Oh, that's the wrong time. The time now is maybe 3 o'clock. Yeah, and I'm going to prepare this. Yeah, I washed it yesterday. It is now dry, and I have a new one outside drying. And yeah, so I'm going to put this here. It's been 2 hours that it's in the water, still hard. And I'm now cooking the rice. Outside is still good. Yeah, sunset is going to be around 7 o'clock. The time now is 5:22, and I'm editing a video. It's boiling now, and the rice also is bubbling. I'm going to put some of this vegetable inside, so it's like steaming. I am now hungry. This is what I'm going to eat. These sardines. This is 70 cents in Walmart. Yeah, and I have those because this one is still a long time. Maybe tomorrow I will continue cooking this tomorrow. Yo, good afternoon guys. Yeah, we are going to work now. My duty today is 2 o'clock, and yeah, today I will be working in the night because there is function. Even if my duty today is 2 o'clock, I still wake up early. Yeah, I wake up at 5:30, but I get off the bed at around 8:30 already. I stay in the bed because I was thinking, oh, it's still a long time. Yeah, and then I just cook my meal. It's mung beans, and I record it in I filmed it using my mobile phone. So I was just in the computer like the whole morning, and at around 12:30 I took shower, and we are now here. We're going to work. I usually go to work when I'm working in the night. I am always giving a 1 hour allowance. Yeah, compare if I am working in breakfast, I'm just giving like a 30 minutes allowance. I am giving 1 hour allowance because going to work, I still wanted to see the view. I really wanted to see things before getting to work. Yeah, this time it is like this. Beautiful, calm. Yeah, nice. The water is very calm today, really nice. We're just going to sit here. Yeah, really calm today, nice. Oh, there's one lady. She's going to the water. She's not feeling cold. Yeah, the wind is cold at the moment. If there is a rain tonight, it's okay because I have my rain jacket, my rain trouser in my backpack. Yeah, I hope there's no rain. Okay, we go. I was sitting there for around 15-20 minutes, and we're now walking to my workplace. And look at this, there are some small flowers. Oh, I believe I can fix it. Yeah, this is wrong. The time is actually already, yeah, already 10:04. Yeah, good morning guys. I was just on my computer and editing a video, and I'm actually preparing my meal. This is the bongo beans that I cooked yesterday. Yeah, but I want to make a video and I want to show you the clock, but it's wrong, so I'm going to fix it first. The problem with this clock is that, you know, the paper inside, it moves forward, so it is holding the finger of the clock to move. If you see those lines in there, yeah, it's scratching the paper. Yeah, that is why it's slowing down the movement of the finger. Yeah, we're going to open it. Okay, I made it. Actually, it's totally expanded. I can't really fix it already. The solution is to change the paper. Oh, in case you don't know, if you go to the restaurant and you order fried egg, they will give you just something like this. Yeah, they call it fried egg. How do you like your egg? They will ask you if it is scrambled or over easy or sunny side up. Yeah, when it's sunny side up, it is like this. Or fried egg, it will be just like this. And the other option is over easy, which is like that. And you just take that out. It's broken. Yeah, this one is over easy. Okay, next time I will do it again. Okay. Oh no, I put it back. I rate it here. It's still hot. This way we save energy. We save electricity. I was waiting for this rice to cook, and the egg is now very dry like this. But it's okay. Oh, the clock. I'm going to fix that clock. I'm going to change the paper in there. You know, I don't own this clock. This is the owner of the house. But I saw this just around $6. So it's okay. I can break it or fix it. Okay, so this is how it is now. Yeah. So basically I cut the number and paste it here. But my mistake, I cut the 6. I don't know why I cut it there. What time is it? It is now 2:44. Okay, I think it's nice.